Click on the link below to get price. The Soundboks 4 is a powerhouse in the realm of Bluetooth speakers, catering to both audiophiles and casual users alike with its impressive performance and rugged design. Right from the unboxing, you can tell this speaker is built to last. Its heavy-duty casing not only gives it a robust appearance but also ensures it can withstand the rigors of outdoor adventures, parties, or any event where you need reliable sound. Setting up the Soundboks 4 is a breeze. The Bluetooth connectivity is seamless, allowing you to connect your devices quickly. Once connected, the sound quality is nothing short of extraordinary. The speaker delivers rich bass and clear highs, making it suitable for a variety of music genres. Whether you're blasting hip-hop, rock, or even classical, the audio remains crisp and well-balanced, with minimal distortion even at high volumes. The speaker's volume capabilities are impressive. It can fill large spaces with sound without sacrificing clarity. One of the standout features of the Soundboks 4 is its impressive battery life. With up to 40 hours of playtime on a single charge, it's perfect for long events or trips where access to power might be limited. Additionally, it has a swappable battery design, so you can easily switch out batteries on the go, keeping the music flowing uninterrupted. In terms of portability, the Soundboks 4 is surprisingly lightweight, especially considering its durability. It comes with a removable strap, making it easy to carry to any location, whether it's a picnic, beach day, or camping trip. Overall, the Soundboks 4 excels in delivering powerful sound in a robust package. It's versatile enough for various settings while maintaining a stylish yet rugged look. If you're in the market for a high-quality Bluetooth speaker that combines durability with outstanding audio performance, the Soundboks 4 is an excellent choice that won't disappoint.